Cape Town.
I'm stronger than you!
Thank you so much! Hey, so this is the last day at Comic-Con.
Greetings, adventurers! We are here at Comic-Con Cape Town. We want to say a big thank you to Unplug Yourself for sponsoring the space.
Thank you.
And yeah, issue 4! Yeah, it's been released at Comic-Con. Finally, it's here. And it'll be in stores probably by the time this video hits YouTube.
Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to see all of you at Comic-Con, and yeah, we're important people.
Okay, so hi adventurers. Okay, this is the second day of Comic-Con
Round 2.
Cape Town, and yeah, we actually got our cousin to come help us with some stuff, so we're excited. It's his first time at Comic-Con, which we are very excited to have him.
And we got him, and he's gonna be here for how many days?
Well, he's gonna come today and Wednesday, so we're excited, he's excited, and yeah, we're going to go fetch him.
We do have nerds in our family. Don't worry, it's not just us.
Hopefully second day is going to be as exciting, with 1 hour of sleep and a nervous competition up ahead.
Okay, thank you. How you feeling about your second day of Comic-Con? First time here as well, so second day gonna be cool?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Cool.
My name is Because.
Oh, what are we gonna be doing?
We're going to be finding NPC number 2.
We're doing the quest little thing.
Okay. Let's go. Yes, I did. Speaker from Pop Culture Zone.
Hello, adventurer.
Hi. I took the selfie. Wait, not. There. I took the selfie. Selfie on the screen.
Congratulations, adventurer. You have completed your next level 4 quest.
Woo! Okay. Say hi.
Thank you so much. Well done.
Shout out that
Yep, it's yours. It took a lot of work to get there.
Entertain non-stop, so what? 5.5 hours?
No.
No, you deserve that.
Yeah.
It's 1,000
I was so worried
that's
about I was
1,200.
just gonna get taken over at some point.